Mount Mazama added another layer of ash, lava, and pumice to eruptions until it stood 12,000 feet here where the lake is. If you guys turn over to your left, you can see just a little mountain peeking over behind the caldera walls. That is Mount Scott. Mount Scott is now the highest peak in the park at 9,000 feet. Mount Mazama would have stood 12,000 feet or higher than Mount Scott. About 30,000 years ago, as Mount Mazama was reaching its top elevation, the explosions became more violent, and this was indicative of magma in the chamber that was growing and becoming more unstable. If you think about a Coke bottle, kids, don't do this at home, and shake this Coke bottle, the gas comes out of solution and it looks for a place to escape. And if you take us back to 7,700 years ago, this mountain was so unstable that it could no longer contain the magma in the chamber. And in one super colossal eruption, Mount Mazama blew. It sent a column, what we call a plenium column, of ash and pumice and gas 30 miles into the air. That ash and pumice traveled around the globe, and traces of Mazama ash have been found in the ice sheets of Greenland. Closer to home, ash and pumice are as far east as Nebraska and as far north as Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And I know we have some Canadian visitors in the back, right? Okay, you'll find our Mount Mazama ash up by you. In fact, if you gathered all that ash and pumice from that initial eruption and brought it back to the state of Oregon, we would all be 8 inches. But that was only the first stage. When the gas column was depleted, it collapsed, and it finally was the last straw. All of that magma in the chamber of Mount Mazama could no longer be contained. Huge vents opened around the side of Mount Mazama, and out came pyroclastic flows of lava. Harkening back to our friend Mount Scott, that lava from Mount Mazama went down the side of Mazama, and it crested Mount Scott. So you will find Mount Mazama ash on the top of Mount Scott. Anybody been through Diamond Lake? Seen Mount Thielsen? Okay. Pyroclastic flows to the north went down the side and crested that as well. At this point, our mountain could no longer hold its roof rocks, and it collapsed into this caldera. Now you notice I'm calling it a caldera and not a crater. A caldera is formed when a volcano collapses and creates a bowl-like function. A crater is what you guys are going to climb today on Wizard Island. A crater is the exit point of a volcano. So Mount Mazama collapsed, created a caldera, and it sealed the caldera. There are no streams into or out of this lake. This lake took 250 years, and it filled with rain and snow, and it is at the level you see today. So is Mount Mazama extinct? The answer is no. It is the 17th most dangerous volcano in the United States, and the probability of it erupting in the lifetime of these young children is higher than the probability of any of you winning the lottery. When Mount Mazama erupted, it erupted with 100 times more force than Mount St. Helens. We are now approaching Elephant Rock, and we're going to go broadside to it, which will make it a little bit easier to see. So as we approach Elephant Rock, do you remember when I first started I mentioned some of the things would have been revealed by the collapse of Mazama, and some things were created. Elephant Rock was revealed, so let me point it out to you. go to the top of the caldera and you see that very buff-colored sand area. Go a little bit down diagonally until you see a very rough-looking rock with vertical stripes. Go to the right, you'll see an elephant ear. Go to the left, you'll see the other ear. You will know you are at the right point when you follow the elephant's head down to the water and follow its trunk. How many of you guys see Elephant Rock? Oh gosh, you guys are good. Okay, so what is Elephant Rock? Elephant Rock is what we call a dike. A dike is a geological function that is simply the internal plumbing of a volcano. So as we come abreast of it, it's even a little easier to see. The best way to see it is find the trunk at the water's edge. Follow the trunk up to the head. Go right and go left, and you'll see the ears. Do I have more people with me now? Okay, great. So a dike is the internal plumbing of a volcano. When a volcano erupts, it cracks the rock, it fills the rock with lava, and then that lava looks for a way to escape. In most cases, lava crests